The test could ask questions which would require you to do one, two, or all three of the steps below, so it's important to understand what they are asking for. You will definitely see percentage of completion questions on your test in one form or another, so it is worthwhile spending some time here. Steps. Step number 1, calculate the percentage of completion. Step number 2, multiply this amount, the percentage of completion, times the contract amount to find the amount that you have earned. Step 3, compare the amount that you have earned with the amount that you have billed or that you've been paid. Percentage of completion example number 1. Given the following information, costs to date $2,000, estimated cost to complete $6,000, your billings invoice to date $1,500, and your total contract amount of $10,000. What is the percentage of completion? So looking back in your Builder's Guide to Accounting, page 24 at the bottom right, you will find the formula. Costs to date divided by, in parentheses, costs to date plus estimated cost to complete. We're just going to plug the information into the formula. Our cost to date, $2,000, divided by, and then in parentheses, our cost to date, $2,000, plus our estimated cost to complete, $6,000. What we have is $2,000 divided by $8,000, which would be 0.25 on your calculator, or 25%. To convert a decimal to a percentage, you're either going to multiply by 100 or just simply move your decimal place 2 places to the right and add a percent key. Question number 1 continued. If we are 25% complete with the job, how much money have we earned to date? What you do for this step is multiply the percentage of completion, 25%, times the total contract amount. If you look there, you'll see the total contract amount is $10,000. You're 25% complete, so 25% of $10,000 would be $2,500. That is the amount you have earned to date. So we have earned $2,500, but our billings invoice to date are only $1,500. How much are the earnings in excess of our billings? In other words, how much have we earned beyond what we've billed for? You simply subtract the billings invoice to date from the amount earned to date. $2,500 that we have earned out of that contract minus $1,500 that we have invoiced to date would be a difference of $1,000. This is earnings in excess of billings. It's also called accrued or earned income. Supposing we had earned $2,500 to date, but our billings invoice to date had been $3,000 instead of $1,500. How much is our billings in excess of our earnings? The procedure is the same. Subtract the billings invoiced to date from the amount earned to date. The $2,500 that we've earned minus the $3,000 that we have billed for or invoiced for, and that would give us a minus $500. This is called our billings in excess of our earnings. It's also called deferred or unearned income.